Dude, I thought Superman was allergic to kryptonite. If you're driving a 2001 or newer Chevy HD truck, you got a lift kit with big tires, it probably wanders all over the road. You go off-road, you're doing boosted launches, all of that is going to be really hard on that steering system. GM's own engineers say that's the weak point on these 2001 and newer trucks. Kryptonite has the solution. Installing these components is going to make that front end feel a lot more planted and give you a lot more confidence driving down the road. This is the Kryptonite Ultimate Front End Package, and it's a full suite of steering parts that's going to improve the steering feel, add more strength and rigidity, and prevent the truck from wandering all over the road. First, we've got this heavy-duty steel steering link. This is designed after the steering system that's on the Hummer H1. We've also got their death grip tie rods. We've got a new pitman arm. We've got a new idler arm. We have this new idler arm support here and the idler arm support bracket gusset. All of these components here are really going to firm up that front end, help it track straight down the road, and just give you a lot more confidence in the steering system. Very complete kit from Kryptonite. I love these components. They're made in the USA, which is a big thing for me. They're gonna last a lifetime, and even if they don't, they've got a lifetime warranty. They'll replace anything if you can break it. These kits are available for the 2001 to 2010 Chevy and GM HD trucks. They're also available for the 2011 to current HD trucks. Kryptonite makes a whole host of parts for not only the GM and Chevy applications, but Dodge and Ford as well. They start at about $14.99. You can find them on our website. We've got free shipping. Check us out online at battlebornoffroad.com.